Have you ever wondered how to make money on Shopify and Amazon? Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where opportunities to create a thriving online business are abundant. With Shopify and Amazon, you can reach a global audience and reap significant rewards. Today, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your e-commerce business. Firstly, you'll need to choose your platform. Shopify and Amazon are giants in the e-commerce world, each offering unique features. Consider factors like user-friendliness, your target market, and the specific features you need. Choose the platform that best suits your business needs. The next step is product research. It's vital to identify trending and in-demand items that your potential customers crave. Offering products with a unique competitive edge can set your store apart from the rest. Remember, the right product can make or break your business. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to set up your store. Personalize it to mirror your brand with an engaging interface and mobile optimization. Remember, your store's first impression can make or break a customer's shopping experience. A well-set store is your first step towards success. Now let's move on to marketing your store. Harness the power of social media, SEO techniques, and email marketing to reach your audience. Remember, a strong online presence is crucial in today's digital age. Effective marketing is key to driving traffic to your store. Next up is fulfillment and shipping. It's crucial to select a trustworthy fulfillment method to guarantee customer satisfaction. Ensure to set clear shipping expectations and offer tracking information. Transparency in this process builds a trustful relationship with customers. Remember, customer satisfaction is paramount. Lastly, it's crucial to analyze and optimize. Regular check-ins on your store's performance can shed light on areas needing improvement. Whether it's website speed or conversion rates, making those necessary adjustments is key. Keep analyzing, keep optimizing, and keep growing. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money on Shopify and Amazon. From choosing your platform to optimizing your store's performance, this journey is about persistence, learning, and adapting. So why wait? Start your e-commerce journey today. And remember, success comes to those who persist and adapt.